Hi, my name is Rachel. I am the owner of Interfit Studios, and I wanted to take a second to invite you to our open house, which is happening this Sunday, July 24th from 9:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. If you have been thinking about fitness, this is going to be a really great opportunity just to pop into the studio. We'll have fresh coffee. We can have a chance to see the studio, meet the coaches, meet the community, and see if it's the right fit for you right now. It doesn't matter what level of fitness you're at, whether you're returning to fitness, whether you're just starting, or whether you're looking for something different. Interfit has almost 100 classes a month to choose from. Lots of variety, lots of different fitness levels. So I'm just opening up the opportunity to walk through the doors and check out the studio. And plus, I have a pretty sweet deal that's going to be happening. We have a 3-month unlimited pass for a crazy price just for one day. So if you're thinking about joining, it's definitely the right reason to join. We're located at 3511 Viking Way, Richmond, unit number 11, and you can park anywhere.